Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. Today I am going to give you the in-depth understanding about Kubernetes certifications. We are going to discuss how to get certified in Kubernetes, what is the cost of exam, and what is the best place to get certified for Kubernetes. So without making any delay, let's start. So the question here is, what is Kubernetes? The name Kubernetes originated from the Greek word called helmsman. Helmsman means the person who drives or controls the ship. Here in this picture you can just have a look of the helmsman. So the person here who is driving the ship, he is nothing but the helmsman. And this circular thing is nothing but the steering wheel of that particular ship, through which he is just trying to control the ship. So if you have a look on the logo of the Kubernetes, it is also quite similar to this steering wheel of the ship. So we can just conclude that the logo was derived from the steering wheel of the ship. Let's jump back on our previous question, what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is also called as K8S, where K is the starting letter of the Kubernetes word and S is the ending letter of the Kubernetes word. The number of letters between K and S are nothing but 8. So there are 8 letters between K and S, that is why it is known as K8S. And the second important point here is, it was designed or it was created by Google and it was open source in 2014 and donated to CNCF Corporation. CNCF is nothing but Cloud Native Computation Foundation. And the next point comes here is, Kubernetes is nothing but 15 years of Google's research and development. So you can just understand the impact of Kubernetes and rigidness of Kubernetes, because from 15 years Google was doing the R&D and they have made this solution called Kubernetes. And exactly if you want to know what is Kubernetes, then Kubernetes is nothing but it is the open source container orchestration system for automating computer applications deployment, scaling and management. So if you people don't know what is orchestration, I have made a separate video on that. You can just see on this I button. So from this concept we can just understand that if you want to know in short what is Kubernetes, means like it is Kubernetes used to manage the deployments of the application, downscaling and upscaling the resources of the application and the overall management of the deployment environment of that particular application. In this way we can just have a short understanding on Kubernetes. So after that let's jump on to the certifications of Kubernetes. So there are 3 different types of certifications are available in Kubernetes. So first one is Certified Kubernetes Administrator, second one is Certified Kubernetes Application Developer, and here one important point to note is both the certifications are available in both English as well as Japanese language. So you can prefer your comfortable language according to that. And the third certification which is available here is Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist. So this is the last and third level of the certification. So these are all the certification levels available in Kubernetes. So let's jump onto the website and I will show you any one of the certifications. Remaining are the same. So the name of the website is training.linuxfoundation.org. So this is the name of this website. So once you land on this website, you just need to click on Training and Certifications tab. So once you click on this Training and Certifications tab, you just need to scroll down a little bit and just click on Explore Certification Exams. So here they have mentioned all the certification exams which Linux Foundations are conducting. So after clicking on this button, you will be landed on all the certifications which are provided by Linux Foundation. So we don't require all those certifications, we only require the Kubernetes related certifications. So once we land on this page, you just need to uncheck this checkbox on the training and click on the certification checkbox. And the second thing which you need to do is click on the Cloud and Containers checkbox. So after selecting these 2 checkbox, we can see here there are different types of certifications are available for Kubernetes. So these are the different levels of certifications are available for Kubernetes, and the cost is also mentioned here, which is nothing but $300. And I have also told you that it is also available in the Japanese version or a Japanese language. So if you try to scroll down on this page, you will be able to find all the certifications related to Kubernetes. Let us have a quick overview on any one of the certifications. So once you land on this page, here you will be finding the link to enroll for this exam. And after that, if you want to also pursue the course, or you also want to do some prerequisites kind of learning about this course, then the course fees is quite different, like it is around $500, and you can just buy the bundle of both the things. Like first thing is course content and other thing is exam, so both the things you can buy in a bundle. And after that, if you scroll down more, here you will be able to find more details related to these certifications, like it will be an online kind of exam. The exam duration will be 2 hours. Certification, these certifications will be valid for 3 years. This is also important thing. And if by chance if you fail in this exam, you can just retake this exam for free of cost. You no need to pay the money for that. And after that, you will be getting the certificate badge or a certificate in the PDF format, and the version for which you are going to get the certification is 1.19. so it might change in the future. Always you will be getting the latest stable version of the Kubernetes to get certified, so that is also very big advantage. So after that, if you try to jump on this section, here they have given the topic wise weightage, for how many percentage which topics are asked in that exam. So the most important topic here is troubleshooting. It is asked for 30%, and remaining topics are asked for 15, 25, 20, etc. So these are all the important details which are given on this website. So this format of the details related to these exams are similar for all the certifications. You can just visit them one by one. Whichever you want to pursue, you can just click on them. So enroll for the exam and you can just appear for the exam. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I have created so many different videos before this. Please try to watch them, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Thanks a lot. Best luck.